children, good morning to all. Welcome to the math session. Children, in previous class we have learned how to find the distance between two places. So here already you have written in your textbook, right? Now we have to find the cost of tickets. Okay, so let's read. Bhupen is going from New Jalpaiguri to Alidwarpur. What is the cost of his ticket? So, children, from the table we can see, first I will show you the table. Children, you can see over here, this is the map, and here is showing 5 stations: New Jalpaiguri, New Mall, Alipurdwar, Golpara and Guwahati. So here is, in this table, here is given a distance from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall, and we have to find out the distance. What is the cost of the ticket from New Jalpaiguri to Alidwarpur? So children, here is showing the distance. The distance is 175 kilometer. You can see in map. Here is New Jalpaiguri and here is Alipurdwar. So distance is 175 kilometer. But here, if you have to go from New Jalpaiguri to Alipurdwar, then you have to pay how much money? 28 rupees. Okay. So children, we can write here the cost of the ticket is 28 rupees, right? Let's see the next question. Indra has to go from New Jalpaiguri to Golpara. So how much does she pay for the ticket? So let's see again the table. So children, from the table we can see that the ticket cost from New Jalpaiguri to Golpara is 49 rupees and 50 paise. It means that she pays 49 rupees and 50 paise for the ticket. So this answer we will write in textbook. Now let's see the question C. Debu, Shoma and Gobind are going from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall. Children, you can see in this question 3 friends are here. Who's? Debu, Shoma and Gobind. They are going from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall. What amount will they pay for 3 tickets? That means they have to buy 3 tickets for 3 person, right? So let's again we see the table. So children, you can see in map Jalpaiguri is here and New Mall is here. Okay, so what is the distance? 57 kilometer. Okay, so how much money we have to pay for one ticket? 12 rupees 50 paise given in this table. That means distance from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall, the ticket cost is 12 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, but you can see in this third question there are 3 friends, right? So they have to pay 3 times this money. So children, I have written here cost of one ticket is equal to 12 rupees and 50 paise. So we have to find out the cost of 3 tickets. So what we do? We will multiply by 3. So you can find the answer in 2 ways. Either you can add this money 3 times, or you will multiply by 3 as you wish. So here first I show you. 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, we will write 5, 1 carry over 2, 3 twos are 6 and 1 7 and 3 ones are 3. That means the cost of 3 tickets is 37 rupees and 50 paise. If you don't want to find this way, you can add this number. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5, 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So we write 5 here, 1 carry over. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 and plus 1 is 7. So we will write here 7. 1, 2 and 3. So we will write here 3. So we can say they have to pay how much money for 3 ticket? 37 rupees and 50 paise. So children, this amount we will write in the textbook. So children, I have written this answer here. Same way you will write in your textbook. I hope you understood this concept, and next session we will learn conversion rupees into paise. Thank you.